Hey, so today I will show you a few easy hairstyles to create for this festive season, for when you need to go out, when you need to look more done, and they are gonna work for short hair, also for medium hair, and even for long hair, so you can just adapt them for the length of your hair. And I will show you how I created them. They're very fast, very easy, and my hair is already pre-curled. I prefer to do any hair ups with the pre-curled hair because then my hair just has a little bit more texture. I can play around with them a little bit more and it's much easier in that way. So if you're interested, let's go. So the first one, it's super easy. All we need is just some rubber bands, and what I will do, I'm just gonna part away this bit. I will make a French plait from this part. So I'm just adding a few pieces in here, but I'm not going too deep with the plait. And securing this with the rubber band. And I will repeat the same on the other side. So now I will just open up my plait a little bit. Right, so the plaits we're just leaving alone now, and I am taking a part from kind of my crown to the back, and I will just very gently back comb this part. And now I'm just taking this hair and smooth them. And at the back, I am just making a ponytail. And from here, I'm parting my ponytail in two, opening up a little bit, and just kind of pushing through. So we have kind of a little bit of detail happening at the back, and I'm just pulling through my hair. And from here I'm just taking a few bobby pins. I will take my braid and twist it into, again, our ponytail, and just secure it in there. And I'm doing the same with the other one. So I'm kind of just hiding it really, so you don't see where it ends. And pinning it in. And at the back we can add some pins that are kind of more interesting shapes, maybe something like this, just so it's a little bit more festive as well. And also in the same way, this is gonna cover our hairbands. So mostly we can see that the details are on our sides and on the back. So also you can always add just some hair accessories and it's gonna look already completely different. So I really like sparkly hair accessories during this time. So for example, you can add a few and just stuck them on, and it really looks nice when you have a bit of volume happening in your hair, and then you can just kind of tuck it behind your ear and add some pins and some grips that are looking very festive, and that just kind of gives a whole different vibe to the hair. And it's super easy and you don't have to spend loads of time. And I really like kind of playing around with them, so you don't have to put them all in a neat stack, but you can play around with directions of them. And the last one is just a very simple bun. I will leave a few bits out. And I am just kind of taking my hair in a bun If you need, you can back them this a little bit, but as already we created quite a few hairstyles, it's back combed by itself. And I'm just making a tiny bun, and I will use this beautiful hairband. I'm just kind of placing it underneath my bun, so it kind of supports it. So this is super simple. I think there's nothing more simpler than this, but because you have this beautiful hairband, it already attracts a lot of attention, and you can even have the simplest outfit with this one. So here you go, these are just a few very simple ideas. It's super easy to do them, and they're very different looks, and I think in this season the most important are the accessories. So you can just do a simple waves in your hair, but with accessories you can add a lot of character to your look, and you can really play around with it, and you don't need to spend a lot of time in a hairdresser's chair. You can just do it very quickly in your home. I hope you're having a really great end of the year and a really happy new year, and I will see you really soon. Thank you, bye.